So here is this Hoover Encore Supreme Energy Efficient from 1995. This is the exact same vacuum that we used to have back from 1993 till not 2016. We bought this vacuum back in the day, brand new, and we had it up until 2016. The motor carbons and the carbon brushes in the motor started going bad, and the switch rod that connects up to the bottom snapped. And I've been looking for it ever since. But what I am saying, it's really cool. The brush bottom. It's like it's a little bit dusty, but it's really stiff bristles. These bristles are very stiff. They're not as long as my Hoover Shelton light, but they're definitely way more stiffer. And the cord is not super duper long, but this is a lower end Encore Supreme than the higher end ones. So this is basically a Sprint, but with a better brush roll. But I mean that's identical. It was always kind of like a higher pitch motor than the other ones. But this one had been used for about 5 years, and then it sat in a storage unit ever since. And then recently someone pulled it out. I bought this one off eBay for a total of $90, and it looks great. Sounds perfect. And now the one thing is this part right here makes a very loud noise when you turn it on, but it's nothing too big. So here we go. Well, I want to say is the brush roll in this one sounds a lot like a late 90s, early 2000s Bissell singer style vacuum, which is really strange because I expect it to sound different. But anyways, guys, please subscribe, leave comments, and always, there's your dinner!